Welcome to Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. And just like that, we find ourselves in 2023. It's the perfect time of year to reflect and to start anew. And that's why this week's theme is asking us to explore, how will you rebuild your fitness and health in 2023? Look, we've had our fun and took the time to enjoy the holidays, and I say congratulations because it is so important to be able to enjoy what life has to offer, including all of those holiday goodies. Look, if you're like me, you spent too much of your life over-exercising and being on way too many of those restrictive diets that don't end up giving us sustainable results. And so now is the time to break the cycle of creating those unrealistic New Year's resolutions. We all have good intentions in setting these goals, but why is it that statistically, after 1 week, 25% are no longer successful in keeping them? After 2 weeks, that number goes up to 30%. After 1 month, the number goes up again to approximately 36%. And get this, after 6 months, only 46% of the people who make a New Year's resolution are still successful in keeping it. Look, I've been there. I completely understand. But here's what I've learned. It's not about hopping on board with the latest and greatest workout or eating plan crazes. If in the next 6 months you want to be part of that 46% of the people who are still successful with their New Year's resolution, as well as with the 19% of people who are still successful after 2 years, then you need to learn how to create and execute a fitness and health plan that works for you. It wasn't until I developed and executed the Build Your Best You 5-step building block process that I was able to get back on track and stay on track. And I know that you can too. And so, how does one create and execute a fitness and health plan that works for them? Well, one avenue that you can take is to complete the Building Blocks Blueprint 9-week program. And there are 2 ways that you can do this. Number 1 is that you can secure one of the available spots in the Building Blocks Blueprint group online program that we have running between January 12th through March 16th of this year, 2023. Now, there's a link provided in the comments that you can reserve your spot. And if you do so before January 4th, then you're going to be eligible for a 30% discount. Now, a second way that you can complete the program is that you can work with me one-on-one. All you have to do is just reach out to me and we will get some time scheduled for you to discuss it further. Now, the Building Blocks Blueprint program is a complete transformational process that will change you, because remember, what derailed you changed you, and you are going to go from feeling discouraged and frustrated because you haven't been able to keep your fitness and health goals to being encouraged and proud because you have invested the time and energy to complete your uniquely designed fitness and health success project that will enable you to sustain your goals. Look, I look forward to working with you and hearing all about how you plan to rebuild your fitness and health in 2023. Well, that is your Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your inner athlete. Now, if you'd like to hear more fitness and health tips from either me or other fitness and health experts, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Take care.